Guys, in this video we're going to have a little play with this brand new DHK Maximus. So, it's 1/8 scale and they reckon it can do 50 miles an hour. I've seen a lot of you guys in the comments say I should get myself one of these, so now I have. Alright, let's crack it open. Uh-oh. What happened? Alright, so in the box you get the car, the tyres, the wheel nuts, the batteries, the charger, the radio and the instructions. All you need to supply yourself is 4 AA batteries. So, to charge it up, you plug that into there, that into there, and that into there. So this charger here can charge at 1 amp, which means that if this battery pack is fully flat, it will probably take about 3 hours per pack to charge. So 2 batteries, 6 hours. So I'm gonna charge them up on my hobby charger in about an hour. All right, so while that's charging up, I'm just gonna stick these wheels on there, we'll have a little look, and then we'll give it a blast. So size-wise, it's a little bit smaller than the Armour Creighton, but it is quite a bit bigger than the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. Oh, check it out, guys. Subscribe or get 10 years of bad luck. All right, let's have a little look inside. So we got double wishbone suspension, steel drive shaft, threaded shocks, a 4S 120 amp brushless ESC and motor, 9 kilogram metal gear servo. We'll see if that's gonna have enough power or not. Metal chassis, 4-wheel drive. Has it got a centre diff? Yeah, centre diff. So we got a double deck chassis that makes it pretty rigid. So we're gonna see. People in the comments have said to me that these things take a beating. So we will see.
If anyone can break this, that's you, Kev.
What are you trying to say, Pat? Alright, batteries are charged, running 4S lipos, they reckon 50 miles an hour. We're going to test that, maybe not in this video. So here's the radio, switch him on, plug him in, switch the car on. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Right steering. That's not too bad for 9 kilo. Alright, let's give it a blast.
Yeah. That's a good shot.
Alright, here we go, first blast. Open up.
What S is in there? 6?
4S.
4S, ah, sweet.
Alright, here we go, speed one. Alright, here we go, flash out.
Oh! Oh! Let's survive that curve.
What's happening?
Oh, no.
Oh!
Do you know what? I think people might be right about that being quite a tough little truck. Yeah.
Oh, real thing.
Oh. That is a cool. Oh. Nice. Come close, mate.
Good shot.
No, come close. It went out of shot so quickly though because that was coming fast.
I want to try it on the backflip wall. It could do some thicker oil in the centre diff, and the servo does seem a bit weak, but other than that, it seems pretty fast. That's it.
Yeah, backflip. Oh!
Easy!
Nice! Oh, that nearly got me. Oh, it's not off right.
No, that's not right.
Ah. Oh, the backwards front flip.
This is the move invented by Pat.
Yay!
Nailed it!
Oh!
Chassis snubber.
Oh! Have you broke
Sounded
it?
like it broke.
It did.
That sounded like it broke.
Maybe not. It sounded like it did.
It did sound like it did, but it seems alright.
Alright.
Alright, keep going.
Then you can't break this, Kev.
Eh?
It means you can't break this.
Well, when we go skate park, it's not going to take the skate park, is it? 100% it's not taking the skate park. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, because we're going to take that to the skate park. Everybody tells me it's really strong and they can't break it.
Yeah.
So we will see.
We'll see.
Soon. I'm going to put it away now before it breaks. So after all that, we've still got 60% battery power in the batteries. Guys, if you want to know where you can get this from, I'm going to put a link down below. Some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck. I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.